Hi everyone, my name is Francis. Welcome to this Classical Surya Namaskar sequence class. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a flowing sequence that honors the sun and brings energy and vitality to our body. It includes different poses that is going to open our heart, stretch our spine, strengthen our arms. It basically warms up our whole body. It's a great way to start any yoga practice. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and come onto the top of your mat. We'll go through the Sun Salutation C Classical Surya Namaskar 4 times today. The first time we'll go really slow, so you get to be familiar with the poses. Each time we'll move a little bit faster and go deeper into it. So the first pose is mountain pose. You want to keep your feet hip distance apart. Traditionally, you want to put your feet together, but today we'll start with hip distance apart and find the comfortable stance at this time of stage. Okay, mountain pose, Tadasana. During the class today, you're going to hear some terms that you are not familiar with. I want to tell you that don't worry about it. They are just the poses name in Sanskrit. I will tell you the English translation as well. With practice over time, you will be familiar with them. Tadasana. You want to stand tall like a mountain. Here, try to lift 10 toes up. Fan them wide. It's like you're using your toes to say hello to people. And then start to plant them down one by one from your little toe to your big toe. Plant them down. Find equal weight in 4 corners in your feet, which is the inner heel, outer heel, your big toe mound, and your little mound. Just to feel the weight. Try to equally distribute your weight. This way, you're going to find your balance and stability in any standing pose. So just keep that in mind in our practice today. Palms facing forward. Roll your shoulder up and back. Open your chest. Gaze forward. This is our mountain pose. Next, with an inhale, sweep our arms overhead. Palms facing each other. Gently gaze forward or gaze upward. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. This is our second pose, upward salute, Urdhva Hastasana. Here you can bring your palms together to touch. This can be a little bit challenging if you have really tight shoulders. If that's the case, just keep them shoulders apart. Urdhva Hastasana. And then exhale, fold from your hips, fold forward to Uttanasana, forward fold. Your hands can land next to your feet or come in front of your feet. Uttanasana. You can keep a little bend in your knees. Forward fold. And then next, with an inhale, lengthen your back to Ardha Uttanasana, halfway split, halfway lift. So your back is long, your chest is open. Here you can land your hands on your shins, or if you have super tight hamstring, you can even put it on your thighs, okay? Just prioritize lengthening your back. Ardha Uttanasana. And then exhale back to Uttanasana. Next, we are going to step our right foot back. For the next pose, kneel down. Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Bring your torso up. Again here, shoulder relax away from your ears. Gaze forward or slightly upward. Palms together to touch or shoulder distance apart. You choose. Low lunge. To feel your hip flexors is stretching. And then exhale, lower your hands to the mat. Step your left foot back for plank pose. Plank pose, align your wrist over your shoulders. Your whole body is very strong. Your arms are strong and navel find the spine, heels back, plank pose. Next, you're going to release your knees, your chest, and your chin down for modified chaturanga. Here, squeeze your elbows in. Perfect. And then inhale, lift up, lift your chest up, untuck your toes, press firmly down to the mat with your hands, with the back of your feet. For cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Gaze forward, neck is long, and then exhale, press to all fours. Tuck your toes, send your hips up and back for everyone's favorite pose, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lengthen your spine, heels find the mat. It doesn't matter if they touch the mat or not. Just lengthen your spine, press down your palms and your feet to the mat. And then next, you are going to step your right foot back between your hands. We'll find low lunge on the left side. So untuck your toe, bring your torso up with an inhale. Low lunge, Anjaneyasana. Keep a little core engagement here. Close your ribs. Doing great. And then exhale. Hands find the mat. Left foot come forward. Back to our Ardha Uttanasana, long back. And then exhale, release down, forward fold, Uttanasana. Here, you want to avoid leaning back towards your heels. So try to put your weight more onto the balls of your feet. Very good. And then keep a slight bend at your knees. Slowly, very slowly, roll yourself up. Allow your head the last to rise. Back to mountain pose. That's it. That's our Sun Salutation C. This time we'll move a little bit faster. Are you ready? Mountain pose, stand tall. Roll your shoulder up and back. Inhale, reach up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, fold forward. Hinge at your hips, not your lower back. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana, long back, flat back. Exhale, step your right foot back, kneel down. With an inhale, reach up, Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Exhale, release your hands to the mat. Left foot step back for plank. Very strong. And then slowly release your knees, chest, chin, modify chaturanga. Extend your arms, lift your chest and head up for cobra. Are you feeling like a cobra? Exhale, press to all fours, tuck your toes, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Long back, sit bones to the sky. Firmly press your palms to the mat. And then inhale, reach your right leg, plant it between your hands, forward, untuck your left toe, bring your torso up. Anjaneyasana. Are you with me? Exhale, release your hands to the mat. Step your left foot front to meet your right. Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen your back. Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, release, forward fold. Allow the gravity to help you stretch your legs. Slowly engage your core, your legs, root to rise to mountain pose, Tadasana. Great job. Now this time, I'll use less cues. Try to move with your breath. One breath, one movement. See what you can do. Are you ready? Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen your back. Exhale, step back for low lunge. kneel down. Bring your torso up. Exhale, hands on the mat. Step back for plank, Phalangasana. Exhale, release your knee, chest, chin. Inhale, Cobra, Bhujangasana, elbows in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot forward, left knee down. Within another inhalation, bring your torso up, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands find the mat. Step forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, release, forward fold. Whew, this feels nice. Slowly, root to rise, vertebrae by vertebrae. Tuck your chin, head the last to rise. Now, this is our last time. I want you to try to close your eyes. Yes, it's going to be fun. I will remind you the cue, so don't worry, just trust your body, trust your breath. Ready? Stand tall in Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, low lunge, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, release your hands. Step back for plank. Release your knee, chest, chin. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, other side, low lunge. Bring your torso up. Exhale, release your hands to the mat. Step forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, release, Uttanasana. Inhale, root to rise. Back to mountain pose. How are you feeling? We finished our 4 rounds of classical Surya Namaskar. This is something you can practice every day. You can repeat as many rounds as you like. I hope you enjoy the lessons today. If you like the lessons, please like and subscribe.